हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू आस्टॉक। तो ये वीडियो में डिस्कसन करवा एनवायरनमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी एमसीक्यूज। प्रथम आम रिसेंट एमसीक्यूज देखा तापर आम ओल्डेस्ट को जीवा। तो फास्ट मैंने रिसेंट देखा क्वेश्चन तापर आम ओल्ड क्वेश्चन को जीवा। तो लेट न करके स्टार्ट करवा। चैनल जदि न्यू अच्छे तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर। वीडियो जदि हेल्पफुल रहा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर शेयर कर। फास्ट क्वेश्चन देखा How many wetland sites have been added in Ramsar wetland sites by Government of India in February? Option A 4, option B 6, option C 3, option D 2. तो केतेटा wetland add होइछि रामसर wetland site रे in February 2025 रे तार आंसर होइछि 4. तो चारिटा wetland site added होइछि। करेक्ट आंसर इज 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को जीवा। When is World Wildlife Day 2025 celebrated? March 3, March 8, March 5, March 9. तो वर्ल्ड वाइल्ड लाइफ डे 2025 सेलिब्रेट कराई मार्च 3 रे। आंसर इज मार्च 3, ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिवा। कंगर वैली नेशनल पार्क added in UNESCO tentative heritage list in March 2025 belongs to which state? छत्तीसगढ़, आसाम, ओडिशा, गुजरात। तो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची छत्तीसगढ़। What is the name of world's largest iceberg that is stuck in South Georgia Island? तो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची A23A, ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट आंसर। Which has been declared the 58th tiger reserve of country in March 2025? माधव, मानस, बंदीपुर, दुधवा। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। 58 टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ द कंट्री इन मार्च 2025 तो डिक्लेयर कराई माधव, मध्य प्रदेश। माधव नेशनल पार्क, मध्य प्रदेश। Which of the following animal is found only in India and nowhere else? Red panda, snow leopard, lion-tailed macaque, Indian pangolin. Correct answer is lion-tailed macaque. Which of the following are the criteria for a site to be declared a Ramsar wetland? Supports vulnerable species, is a rare or unique ecosystem, regularly supports 20,000 or more water birds. तो देखो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची 1, 2, 3. तो सपोर्ट्स vulnerable species, is a rare or unique ecosystem, regularly supports 20,000 or more water birds. तो तीनटा जाक स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट अछि। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। The concept of ecological footprint refers to human impact on nature, amount of carbon stored in soil, livelihood pressure on forest, pollution by vehicles. Concept of ecological footprint refers to human impact on nature. Correct answer is option A, human impact on nature. Next question को जीवा। COP28 of UNFCCC was held in which country? India, UAE, Germany, Egypt. Correct answer is option B, UAE. Which of the following pollutants can cause Minamata disease? तो मिनामाटा डिजीज तुम देखा जाए फिश मानक लेड, आर्सेनिक, मर्क्यूरी, कार्डियम। तो मर्क्यूरी मेटल कॉजेस मिनामाटा डिजीज। आंसर इज मर्क्यूरी। National Green Tribunal NGT was established in which year? 2008, 2010, 2012, 2005. Correct answer is 2010. National Green Tribunal was established in 2010. Next question देखिबा। Which of the following are types of wetlands in India? Mangroves, marshes, lagoons, coral reefs. देखो यार करेक्ट आंसर होची 1 2 3 ऑप्शन ए 1 2 3 mangroves, marshes, lagoons तो एगुड़ा हेले सब wetlands in India. In the context of carbon dioxide, what is the difference between emission and sequestration? तो emission is releasing carbon dioxide and sequestration is absorbing it. Correct answer is option A. Emission होची release करिबो carbon dioxide and sequestration होची absorb करिबो. Sequestration is absorbing it. With reference to United Nations Convention on Law of Seas, consider the following statements. Coastal states have sovereign rights in exclusive economic zone. The EEZ can extend up to 200 nautical miles. Which of the statement given above is are correct? तो देखो यार correct answer is option C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Coastal states have sovereign rights in exclusive economic zone. The EEZ can extend up to 200 nautical miles. Next question, which one of the following best describe the term greenwashing? Correct answer is option B. Misleading claims about environmentally friendly practices. Which of the following are the possible consequence of heavy sand mining in river beds? Decreased water filtration, lower of water table, increased flood frequency. देखो करेक्ट आंसर इज 1 2 3 तो तीनटा जाक स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट अच्छी. What is life mission launched by Indian government? Forest conservation initiative, lifestyle for environment campaign, promoting sustainable living, wildlife habitat protection program, plastic free India camp. तो लाइफ मिशन होची lifestyle for environment camp, promoting sustainable living. Correct answer is option B. Which of the following chemicals is used in e-waste recycling and is hazardous to human health? Benzene, mercury, phosphorus, sodium. Correct answer is mercury. Which of the following countries is not a part of International Solar Alliance? France, India, USA, Australia. Is not a part of International Solar Alliance. The correct answer होची USA. The National Biodiversity Authority (NBA) is headquartered at New Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. National Biodiversity Authority headquartered at Chennai. Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023 primarily deals with privatization of forest land, exempting some forest lands near borders from regulation, replacing native forest with monoculture, nationalizing forest produce. Correct answer is option B. Exempting some forest lands near borders from regulation. With reference to Indian laws about wildlife protection, consider the following statements. Statement 1 रे देछि wild animals are government property. Statement 2 रे देछि you can't own or trade endangered species or their parts. Which of the following statement is are correct? Correct answer होछि both 1 and 2. Wild animals are government property. Statement 2 रे अछि you can't own or trade endangered species or their parts. So both statements are correct. The term blue carbon refers to carbon captured by oceans and coastal ecosystems, carbon released by glaciers, carbon stored in fossil fuels, carbon credits earned by coastal cities. Term blue carbon होची option A correct answer. Carbon captured by oceans and coastal ecosystem, that is known as blue carbon. Which of the following protected areas are located in Western Ghats? Bandipur, Silent Valley, Nagarhole, Satyamangalam. देख यार करेक्ट आंसर हूँ 1 2 3 4 ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट। बंदीपुर, साइलेंट वैली, नागारोल, सत्यमंगलम are located in Western Ghat. Next question. What is the main objective of the National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture? Improve crop yield through GMOs, promote sustainable practices for climate resilient farming, reduce farmer subsidies, monitor crop insurance implementation. Correct answer is option B, promote sustainable practices for climate resilient farming. Which one of the following is a filter feeder? Catfish, octopus, oyster, pelican. Correct answer is filter feeder होउची oyster. Option C correct answer oyster. Which of the following can be threats to biodiversity? Habitat destruction, invasive species, climate change, pollution. The correct answer होउची option C 1 2 3 4. Habitat destruction, invasive species, climate change, pollution can threats to biodiversity. In India, the Biodiversity Act 2002 aims to option A prevent deforestation, option B conserve biodiversity and share benefits equitably, option C protect tribal land, option D regulate GM crops. India Biodiversity Act 2002 aims to option B is the correct answer conserve biodiversity and share benefits equitably. Which of the following is are correct regarding global environment facility? Option 1 ଦେଇଛି statement 1 ଦେଇଛି it was established during the Rio Earth Summit. Statement 2 ଦେଇଛି it provides funding for biodiversity and climate change projects. देखो correct answer होची both 1 and 2. It was established during Rio Earth Summit. Statement 2 be correct, it provides funding for biodiversity and climate change projects. So option C both 1 and 2 are correct. Next question. Fly ash, a byproduct of coal combustion, is used in cement production, brick making, land reclamation. तो fly ash गोटे byproduct होची coal combustion रो तो ताकू यूज करा जाए सीमेंट प्रोडक्शन रे, ब्रिक मेकिंग रे, लैंड रिक्लेमेशन रे. तो 1 2 3 तीनटा जंग स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट अच्छी. तो ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट आंसर फॉर सीमेंट प्रोडक्शन, ब्रिक मेकिंग, लैंड रिक्लेमेशन. Miyawaki method is used in traditional irrigation in India, growing dense native forest, preventing soil erosion, measuring forest carbon. Miyawaki method is used in option B correct answer growing dense native forest. Next question. Consider the following pairs. Ramsar site और state को मैच करिबो को पेयरटा करेक्ट अछि. Ecology राजस्थान, आस्तामुड़ी केरला, दीपरबिल ओडिशा. Which pairs is are correctly matched? तो देखो ecology होची राजस्थान ये करेक्ट अछि. आस्तामुड़ी केरला ये भी करेक्ट अछि. तो ऑप्शन ए 1 2 ओनली. तो दीपरबिल इज नॉट ए रामसर साइट इन ओडिशा. तो ecology राजस्थान, आस्तामुड़ी केरला. तो 1 2 ऑप्शंस आर करेक्ट. Which of the following are biodiversity hotspots in India? Indo-Burma, Western Ghats, Himalayas, Deccan Plateau. तो पचासी गौड़ा biodiversity hotspots in India. Correct answer is 1 2 3. Indo-Burma, Western Ghats, Himalayas are biodiversity hotspot in India. तो option A 1 2 3 only correct. The term carbon sink refers to anything that emits carbon dioxide, a reservoir that absorbs more carbon than it releases, A system used to store industrial carbon. A machine that converts carbon dioxide into oxygen. The term carbon sink refers to a reservoir that absorbs more carbon than it releases. A reservoir that absorbs more carbon than it releases. Option B correct answer. Last question. Which of the following is a greenhouse gases? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone. तो देखो ये चारिटा जंग होचंदी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, ओजोन. ये होचंदी सब ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. तो 1 2 3 4 करेक्ट. तो ये हमर लास्ट क्वेश्चन एनवायरनमेंट ऊपर. तो आम रिसेंट रु ओल्डेस्ट को गले. तो आशा करछि वीडियोटी हेल्पफुल रही. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.